Welcome to 6127 North Francisco. We're walking through a newly updated and refreshed apartment. It's a 3-bedroom and it is huge, as you're going to see as we walk through here. This is the living room. Lots of light coming in. A nice full fireplace. And you're going to be able to arrange your furniture in a wonderful way to take advantage of the light. So let's walk down a little bit here, and as we head back towards the dining room, that's the entry door on the right. We're going to take a left here and look at the first of 3 large bedrooms, and you'll notice there's cable outlets throughout, and there's also another door which leads you to the bathroom, very convenient. Now this is a beautiful dining room. You're going to be so proud to entertain your guests here. Show them what a wonderful find you've got in this gorgeous apartment. And as we turn left, we have the door to the 2nd bedroom on the left, and here's the 1st bathroom. And again, new fixtures, nice pedestal sink, tub and shower. And just off to the left here is the 2nd bedroom, and I'm not going to open all the closet doors, but there is ample, if not excessive, storage all throughout this apartment. This is bedroom number 2, again nice and large, and directly adjacent to it we have the 2nd bathroom. Again, new pedestal sink, toilet, nice tile work, and off to the side here we have the 3rd bedroom. You may want to use this as an office or a den. Video game room, closet in the corner, good light coming in. And as we come out here, we're going to the kitchen, and you'll see this is newly redone. Cabinetry, nice stove with cast iron top on it, microwave, and of course a dishwasher. Nice colors, and of course a fridge. Just adjacent to it is something you don't see very often, a butler's pantry. Put a little table in here, use it for a desk area. You have nice storage. And then we're heading back out to the dining room, very large. So that's 6127 North Francisco, a gorgeous 3-bedroom, I should say large 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment. Give us a call at 773-961-7962. We'd love to show it to you in person. Thanks for joining us and have a great day.